Welcome back, home enthusiasts! We're in the home, and we're here to help you decide which washing machines to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. The best washing machines will clean your clothes quickly and quietly without using too much electricity. In addition, it must have a user-friendly design, quick responsiveness, and must be simple to operate. It should also thoroughly rinse your garments so that no residual detergent remains once the cycle is completed. There's so many washing machines on the market and so many factors to consider when selecting one, which is why choosing the ideal one can be difficult. That is why we compiled a list of the best washing machines to match your needs. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The washing machines that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The washing machine coming in at number 5 in our list is the Electrolux front-load washer. The Electrolux front-load washer has a 4.4 cubic foot capacity. It boasts 9 wash cycles, including a 15-minute fast wash. The gray finish on the Electrolux is the only noticeable difference at first glance. However, if you look inside the detergent drawer, you'll notice that it's been completely redesigned. Our team would like to highlight that Electrolux not only added a separate feeder for detergent pods, but also changed the form of the other dispensers to make it easier to pour liquid soaps, bleaches, and fabric softeners. It's worth noting that this Electrolux washing machine operates using Smart Boost, a technology that requires combining the water and laundry detergent together before they reach the main wash compartment. Each stain strip is divided into 5 portions, each of which is marked with a different stain: sebum, carbon, pig's blood, cocoa, and aged red wine. Mechanical action strips are fabric squares with 5 pre-punched holes in the shape of an X in the middle. Some of the threads inside each of the 5 holes begin to fray after a standard wash cycle. This washing machine is also the first of its class to include a detergent pod dispenser. Some washers have issues with pre-packaged pod detergents because they can clog or fail to release the detergent properly. However, this washer's adaptive dispenser premixes the detergent with water in the dispenser before releasing it to ensure optimal dispensing. Lastly, our team found the controls on this Electrolux very easy to use and adjust, so we are sure that you will be operating this machine within mere minutes. Overall, the Electrolux front-load washer boasts top-notch performance, ease of use, and a unique yet practical detergent pod dispenser. It eliminates stains better than any other model we've tried, and its well-designed display adds to the user-friendliness of the machine. For that, we placed it at the number 5 in our list. The washing machine coming in at number 4 on our list is the Laundry Alternative Portable Washing Machine. The lid of the Electrolux washing machine is made of tempered glass and comes in 3 colors, namely blue, yellow, and pink. Its damping lid will always close gently and softly. This washing machine measures 18 by 18 by 30 inches with a total weight of 46 pounds. Our team would like to highlight that the machine's built-in rear wheels make it very easy to move from one location to another. Depending on the size, the Electrolux washing machine can wash 2 or more pairs of blue jeans. It is worth noting that the stainless steel drum has a diameter of 14 inches and a height of 12 inches. The washer has the ability to automatically detect and balance the load. This eliminates the need to pause and reposition the laundry. As a result, the machine wears out less, which adds to its longevity. This is a one-of-a-kind function not found in any other portable washers. The Electrolux offers 3 programs, namely wash, rinse, and spin, as well as 3 different water levels, namely low, medium, and high. There is no need to manually stop the water, turn it back on, or do anything else because this is a completely automatic washing machine. A faucet adapter for a regular-sized faucet is included with the Electrolux. Our team would like to make mention that the machine comes with an adjustable foot that allows you to elevate or lower the machine if the surface isn't completely level. The Electrolux is attractive, portable, and perfect for small areas like apartments, RVs, boats, college dorms, and small houses. Given its one-of-a-kind functions, adjustable foot, and built-in rear wheels, our team decided to place it at the number 4 in our list. The washing machine coming in at number 3 in our list is the Frigidaire top-load washer. The lid of the Frigidaire stays open and is not sensitive if it's moved or nudged a bit. Even if it were to be bumped and starts closing on your fingers or head, you'd only feel a light tap. Our team also enjoys how translucent the cover is. You can check to see if the washer is running properly, and you can also check on a cycle to see how a specific item of clothing is doing. Even if you don't want to worry over your clothing, the see-through lid can give you peace of mind that the thumping in the machine isn't anything valuable. Although this washer is not Energy Star certified, it meets all of the other efficiency criteria. Our team would like to make mention that it has the lower estimated annual energy cost and energy use out of all the units we tested. It's worth noting that the 4.1 cubic foot capacity is lower than average among the models we looked at, but it proved to be more than enough for most loads. Since comforters typically require 4.5 cubic feet or more, a king-size comforter may be a tight fit, but it would be able to take the majority of your other laundry. There's a favorite cycle button that remembers your chosen settings, so you don't have to select the soil level, water temperature, and other options each time you wash your load. The Frigidaire top-load washer achieves a good blend of modern and innovative design while remaining reasonably priced. It's less expensive than the average washers we have looked at, and it pairs well when working with high-efficiency detergents. For that reason, this product is placed at the number 3 on our list. The washing machine coming in at number 2 on our list is the Kenmore Total Capacity and Top-Load Washer. This washing machine is small enough to fit in any laundry room, measuring 28 by 27.5 by 37 inches. Our team would like to highlight that this 19-towel capacity washer effectively cleans any size load with 12 wash cycles, including delicates and express wash. To maximize washing of larger, bulkier loads, the deep fill option adds additional water to certain cycles. Our team would like to make mention that the anti-corrosive tub can hold up to 4.2 cubic feet of clothes. This is a decent size for a low-cost washing machine. This allows you to wash more garments every cycle and can store enormous amounts of water, allowing you to clean larger loads more effectively. It's worth noting that the Kenmore has a self-locking lid to keep your clothing from flying all over the place as it spins at high speeds. This should also keep curious kids from opening the lid while it's spinning. The lockable lid can be opened to add clothing to the stainless steel tub in the middle of the wash cycle, and the cycle will resume once the lid is closed. Our team would like to make mention that it has a direct drive motor and a triple agitator that keeps clothes moving during the wash cycle for complete washing and cleaner clothes. The Kenmore Total Capacity and Top Load Washer is a low-cost and easy-to-use machine. Despite the use of a central agitator, it has an elegant design that fits into almost any room and is generally soft on garments. It offers helpful features like a deep fill option and an additional rinse cycle. For that reason, it earns the second spot on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 washing machine on our list, the COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. This washer has 6 common programs such as quick, normal, delicate, bulky, heavy, and spins only. As a result, you can select one of these programs to immediately begin the washing process. Our team would like to highlight that it has a clear cover that allows you to view the overall progress. On the LED display, you can also check how much time your washing has left. It's worth noting that the small washer boasts a space-saving design with dimensions of 20.7 by 20.3 by 36.6 inches and a weight of 70.5 pounds, making it easy to move and store. In addition, it includes convenient wheels on the bottom and handles on the sides to make it easier to maneuver around your home. The inside tub is made of stainless steel, which is more durable than solid plastic. Our team would like to make mention that the high-quality modern motor is strong and long-lasting. It provides consistent power and energy efficiency, consuming up to 84% less energy than comparable models. It's good to note that the machine has a drain pump and is connected to water line. 2 water inlet hoses and a converter are included in the box. Simply attach the hose to a faucet using the included fast adapter, secure the drain hose to a sink of your choice, plug the washer in, and push the start button. After you've put your clothing in the washer, use the delay start function to start it at a later time. This way, you won't have to rewash them due to a lingering odor. Our team finds this washer perfect for small apartments, RVs, and camping. This fully automatic 1.6 cubic foot washing machine boasts an 11-pound washing capacity, 6 wash programs, and a drain pump, making it practical and highly functional. This is why the COMFEE Portable Washing Machine deserves to be at the top spot in our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 washing machines which got our team at In the Home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next washing machine roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next updates. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.